How to turn off silent mode on iPhone. Now there are several ways on how to do this. The first and the easiest way is to toggle the button above your volume up and volume down buttons beside your iPhone device. If you turn the toggle to the back of the phone, your device will be on silent mode. And if you move it to the front, as you can see here on my screen, it will turn off the silent mode. Another way to turn off the silent mode is to swipe down from the top right here to open your control center. And as you can see here, I'm on Do Not Disturb. What you want to do is unselect this, and after that, you will be able to receive notifications, meaning your silent mode is now turned off. If you're still not hearing your notifications, go to Settings and click on Sound and Haptics. In this page, you can see that my ringer and alerts is not on its max settings. You can slide the circle and increase the volume from here. And after doing this, you will now hear notifications. So that is how to turn off silent mode on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.